How to delete your profile picture on Facebook Messenger. If you want to delete your profile picture on Facebook Messenger app, then you're going to have to open up the app first and make sure that you're logged in. After that, you'll find the menu icon on the bottom right corner. Then tap on the settings menu, and from here you can see your profile picture. If you tap on it, there is only an option to take a photo to change it or choose from library to change the photo. There is no option that Messenger has given us to delete our picture. So in this case, what you're going to have to do is head over to your Facebook first, because Facebook and Messenger are connected. You could delete your profile picture in Facebook and it will be deleted on Messenger too. Tap on the menu icon at the top right and then tap on your profile banner. As you can see here, I have the same profile picture as I have it on Messenger. Tap on it and then tap on choose profile picture, or first tap on see picture, and then you'll be able to view your profile picture here. All you have to do now is tap on the three lines at the top right and you'll have an option to delete this photo. Tap on it and then confirm the deletion, and your profile picture is now deleted. So if I just refresh my profile, as you can see, the profile picture has been deleted successfully. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.